Shri K. Raghuram Krishnan Reddy ji.
Thank you, Honorable
Raju,
Chairman,
sorry.
sir.
Raju ji.
I wanted to make a request regarding the economically weaker section reservations, which Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji he has got what is that? The constitutional amendment, the 103rd amendment to the Constitution, which has come into existence on 12/1/2019. This has really helped many people because in the forward cast there are so many people who are economically weak these days, and especially in Andhra Pradesh, if I had to say, Brahmins, Kammas, Reddis, and Kshatriyas and Vaishyas, these were the communities who were not having this benefit since long, and the government of India has come up with this particular amendment of 10% of reservation in addition to the existing reservation, which has really helped for many people to get the admission into the central government schools or colleges and as well as employment. But they made the amendment to that Article 16 under Clause 6 that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any economically weaker sections of citizens other than the class mentioned in Clause 4, in addition to the existing reservation. They are given the discretion to the state, but the problem is several states, and unfortunately my own state, they were not able to come up with a regulation adopting this suggestion of the government of India, which is causing a lot of inconvenience to the people within the state. I urge the government, if possible, instead of giving the discretion to the states, almost 80% of the states have already implemented. Instead of discretion, if there is an amendment that if it can be made mandatory, it will help a lot of economically weaker sections who are in the upper caste. And added to this, a small continuation which won't take more than a few seconds, sir. That is, in my parliamentary constituency, it's a very well-developed constituency, but we don't have the Kendriya Vidyalaya, wherein we can get this kind of good school facility. I urge Ramesh Pokhriyal ji to kindly sanction one Kendriya Vidyalaya without much delay in my Narsapur constituency at Bhimavaram. Thank you so much, sir.